So hello friends, welcome back to my another video. So today I will unbox Honeywell Maxim V3000 soundbar. You connect this soundbar with your TV, smartphone, laptop, MP3 player, tablet, flash drive. This is some key features: playback up to 12-hour, driver size 57 mm, deep bass, thorium sound, Bluetooth range 10 meter, USB playback, aux input, lithium ion, 2400 mAh battery, charging 4-hour Type-C charging port. So will unbox. This is aux wire. This is charging cable. And this is documentation. And this is a speaker. This speaker is nice in look. This is in a black color. I remove a plastic. So this is a mode button, forward and backward, volume increase, decrease, pause and start button. This side is you have to plug aux wire, you have to plug USB, you have to plug charging, and this is a on off button. And I on the button
Bluetooth mode.
and this way device connected. So I will connect. So I have connected sound bar. So let's check a sound. So the sound is so good. I will back in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.